Hello, dear students. Welcome to Jyoti Educare, Education with Care. Today, we are going to discuss the science of Standard 3rd chapter name Animals and Our Friends. Animals, Our Friends. This is part 1 of our series. In part 2, you will get the exercises and some other things. Okay, so come to the topic animals, our friends. Do you know? Do you know any animal? Yes, you know so many animal you know, but there are so many categories, beta. So different kinds of animals. There are many different types of animal found on our earth. Some are big and some are small. Means there are two categories, mainly big and small, and one another category is giant. Okay, animals such as giraffe, cow, buffaloes, elephant, lion, tiger, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, camel, horses, shark, whale, dolphins, and many other are, these are what, big animals. Okay, now elephant is the largest land animal. Okay, elephant is largest land animal. Tiger is a big animal. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Most of the big animal like tiger, lion, zebras, elephant and giraffe live in forest. These are also called wild animals. Wild means they live in forest. Okay. So from this slide you are getting 2-3 things. First is there are different types of animal on our earth. Some are big, some are small, and the animal who live in forest are known as wild animals. And this is also in front of you. Now blue whale is a big animal. Okay, blue whale is too huge. Now wild animals: monkey, giraffe, elephant, bear, lion, tiger, deer, zebra, fox. These all are wild animals. Now small animals. Who are small animals? You can see this cute little dog. Okay, squirrel. These are very cute. Rabbit, cat, porcupine. So many small animals are there. Animals such as squirrel, cat, rabbit, rat, dog, porcupines, earthworm, snail, butterflies, and crabs are small animals. Okay, now come to birds. Birds are birds are animals that have two legs. Okay, you can see here there are two legs and wings and are covered with feathers. There are many different types of birds. Some birds such as ostriches, emu, eagle and vultures are large. Okay, some animals are large, some birds are large bird. Other birds such as parrot, crow, hen and pigeon are small birds. Means they are medium size, standard size, small birds. Although most birds can fly, birds like ostrich, emu and penguin cannot fly and are called flightless bird. Okay, there may be a question there, who are flightless birds? So penguin, emu and ostrich are flightless birds. Many small animals can be seen and around our home. We can keep some small animals like cat, dog, parrot, rabbit and small fish as pets. So many of us have aquarium at our home, and so many have pets like dog, cat, parrot, so many. Okay, we should look after our pets well. Why? Because all the pets are fully dependent on us. An emu cannot fly. Birds like ostrich, emu, and penguin cannot fly and are called flightless bird. Okay, so these are flightless bird. It cannot fly. You can see this penguin is trying to fly, but it cannot fly. It can crawl, walk and run. It can also run according to its size, but cannot fly. Now, domestic animals. What are domestic animals? Some animals like cow, buffaloes, bullocks, hen, duck, honey, donkeys and sheep are domestic animals. They are useful to us in many ways. We can get milk from cows, goats and buffaloes. We get wool from sheep. Hens and ducks give us eggs. Goats, sheep and hens give us meat. So cow and bullocks help farmer by plowing fields. Means not cow, bullocks are. Okay, bulls. And donkeys and horses carry our loads and put carts. Some large animals such as elephants and camels can also carry loads. Okay, so these are the animals who help us and who live with us in our houses, and so many hen, ducks, so many people are keeping them at their home, and do the farming of ducks and chicks and hen. So these are domestic animals who live with us around our home. Animal bodies. How animal body looks? Animal have different body structures. Almost all animals have a head, eyes and limbs. Head, eyes and limbs. What do you mean by limbs? Limbs means the body part. Some external structure of our body is limb. Animal like cows, horses, monkeys, goat and sheep have 4 legs, while birds have two legs, and snakes and earthworms do not have legs. They don't have legs. Some very small animals like ants, butterflies and bugs have 6 legs. They are called insect. Means all insect has 6 legs. Fish do not have legs. Fish has only fins, and they have fins instead. Birds have wings with feather and a special mouth called beak. Beak means chonch. Okay, so you can see here parts of fish. Tail is here, fin is here. You can see another fin here. Gills, 2 gills are here. Eye, 2 eyes are here. And animal food. What is animal food? What animal does eat? Animal eat different kinds of food. Some animals eat only plants. They are called herbivorous. In animals, we also have category like herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Okay, cows, horses, giraffe and goat are some common herbivorous. Animals that hunt and eat the fish of other animals are called carnivorous animals. Tigers, lions, cheetahs and panthers are carnivorous. Means they eat meat only. Some flesh eating animals such as jackals and hyena do not hunt. They eat the leftover of what other animals have hunted and fed upon. They also eat the flesh of animals which are already dead. Okay, they eat dead animals also. They are called scavengers. Okay, you can see here scavengers. Some animals such as crow and bear eat both plant and flesh of other animals. They are called omnivorous, means herbivorous who eat herb only. Like herb means, I am giving you a hint only that herb, we can think that herb means plants. Okay, so herbivorous. Carnivorous means meat eater. Scavengers means stranger. You can think like stranger. Scavenger eat all the things, means dead animals and leftover flesh. And omnivorous, both. Omni means both eater, means they will eat herb also, and they will eat meat also. Just like crow is eating rotis, breads, and also dead animals, small animals. So this is all about today's chapter, today's discussion. Keep studying dear students, keep growing. Thank you very much. पढ़ते रहो, बढ़ते रहो. And if you like my video, then you can hit the like button. If you want to learn from this channel again, then you can hit the subscribe button. If you want the all the videos notification, then please hit the bell icon. So thank you very much, and we will meet in next video with next discussion. Thank you students, thank you very much.